Hi guys, so for today's video we're going to be faking big lips with makeup. So the first thing you always want to do is exfoliate your lips. Here I'm using the Pure Cosmetics Sugar Scrub Stick. After our lips are nice and exfoliated, we're going to take the lip plumper, and this is from Too Faced. This is the Lip Injection Extreme Gloss. This is just going to make our lips extra plump and extra juicy. The next step is to contour our lips. I got this tip from Kim Kardashian. So what you want to do is you want to take a contour stick, cream base, and you want to take a small detail brush and outline your lips. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a shadow. So I like to focus this mostly in the center of my bottom lip. And then for the top, I like to focus that just on the Cupid's bow. And then just blend it out a little bit to the sides. And don't add a lot, because if you do, you will have like a mustache. After, just take a blending brush and just blend it out. Make sure you don't have any harsh marks. So this is a very important step. Take a lip liner that's darker than your actual lip and outline your lip. Make sure whatever lip pencil you're using is creamy and it applies very smooth on your lip and it doesn't tug. So when I do my lips, I like to start in the center of my bottom lip and then drag it to the inner corners. And when I overline, I only do the center, and then the corner of my inner lip, I try to get it as close as I can to my actual lip, because if you don't, what happens is you end up having like sausage looking lips. Here I'm using the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind. I think that's how you pronounce her name. And this is in the color Mocha. Then just go in with a flat concealer brush and just fix up any of your mistakes. Then take that lip pencil again and just darken the outer corners of your lip. And if you guys like this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button. Then I'm taking a lipstick that's lighter than my actual lips, or close to, and I'm using that and I'm applying it right on my center of my lips to like make your lips pop out a little bit more. Now finally, the last step. Use any lip gloss that's literally super shiny and super glossy. Here I'm just using Tarte's lip paint, and this is in the color Insta Famous, and it also has shimmers in it. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now we can all rock our Kylie Jenner lips together.